I'm pleased to be joined by Stephen Hinke from DAP Health, and we're here to talk about the Desert AIDS Walk, which is coming up a little bit later on as we approach fall. But this is an important milestone year.
Yeah, it was 40 years ago in June that the CDC issued its first report, its first medical report on HIV and AIDS in the United States. And since then, folks have been walking all across this country to support different AIDS service organizations. This community's been no different. DAP Health, previously Desert AIDS Project, has been walking for many years to end the HIV epidemic and to, of course, care for people living with HIV.
One of the things you and I were talking about before the program, we are so used to testing, but we think of COVID testing.
Yeah.
But at DAP Health, you've been continuing your testing services, screening for HIV and other sexually transmitted infections. So that continues throughout the pandemic.
Yeah, that's right. In fact, during the pandemic, when people were too afraid to come into the clinics, we started mailing free at-home HIV tests. And last year alone, our community health team tested over 8,000 individuals in the Valley and connecting the 42 positive test results to comprehensive care and, of course, the life-saving medications they need to thrive.
You guys are still doing, groundbreaking work here at DAP Health. And so the walk is an important part of that. But it's also a fun and festive event.
Yeah.
You've got a health and wellness fair beforehand. And so tell people a little bit about the day of what's going to happen.
Yeah. So the walk is one of my favorite events because you come together, 8 o'clock in the morning at Ruth Hardy Park. There's a health and wellness village with lots of booths of different community organizations. You can meet new people, get information to improve your health and well-being. We've got a main stage with entertainment before and after the walk. And of course, it's just a great opportunity to connect with your friends who maybe you haven't seen for a long time. We walk through the village of Palm Springs. It's an easy, beautiful walk. And, it's pet and family friendly. So, you just get a really great diversity of people at that walk.
And obviously the dollars raised are very important in the community. DAP Health is an organization a lot of people rely on for their health care, and not just for HIV or other, they're just regular medical facilities, and you're their family doctor.
Absolutely. Today over 10,000 individuals call DAP Health their healthcare home. Half of those are living with HIV. And of course, this walk is specific to ending the HIV epidemic. But at DAP Health, our community can find primary care, mental health care, dental care, social services, assistance with housing, and so much more. All those wraparound services that are important to making sure people can live their best lives.
And I know that was sort of the reasoning behind the rebranding as DAP Health, because you are really all-inclusive in terms of helping people with their health care and life management.
Yeah, that's true. And during the pandemic, I think what we learned was, every business now is in the healthcare business, right? Because when you go in to a theater or a restaurant, you're expecting a certain sanitation, you're expecting face masks, maybe the vaccination. And so this is, a great opportunity for this event for local businesses to connect. They are in the healthcare business with us. They've been part of the public health response to COVID, and they've been a part of the response to HIV all these years. And so if somebody wants to sponsor the event or be part of the Health and Wellness Village, just go to desertaidswalk.org and we can get you the information.
All right, we're going to put up the link. It's desertaidswalk.org, but it will also be on KESQ.com. And it happens Saturday, October the 30th. You're going to be able to get together at 8 o'clock in the morning. And again, it's not just the walk. There's all kinds of other health information available to you. And it is a fun event. So plan to come out. And as you said, it's family and pet friendly.
Absolutely.
So if you've got well-behaved pups that want to go on a walk, this is a great time to take them out. All right, Stephen, always a pleasure to have you in the program.
Thank you.